Is a sloppy email going to wreck your career? No. But mastering the rules for writing professional emails can help you look more competent, and if you are a non-native English speaker, that task can seem even more daunting. In this video, you will learn how to organize your email communications better and avoid common rookie blunders. Have a compelling subject line. Subject lines can make or break your email success. It's often the deciding factor on whether someone will open your email or not. Sadly, a lot of people struggle with this part. Subject lines are especially important if you are reaching out to someone for the first time. The recipient doesn't know who you are and can only judge you from your subject line. So, how do you write a good subject line? Be clear and direct. Don't be afraid to take up the whole subject line. Use a formal email address. The only thing the receivers of your business emails will know about you is your company. So, always use a professional email address when sending a business email. A formal email has two parts: a username and your domain name. It's best to put your domain name after the @ and username as the username. Also, don't forget to customize your account. Upload a profile picture and make it human. Have a strong attention grabber. While the subject line impacts whether your email is opened, the opening sentence decides whether your email is read all the way through. If it's an introduction, you can start with a topic you know your audience will find interesting. You can find this out through a little research on their social media profiles. Keep your message short and concise. No one is eagerly awaiting a 3-page essay to arrive in their inbox. Think about it this way. What's the main takeaway from your email? So, follow the why, how, and what formula. First, pique their interest. Then, demonstrate how they can overcome it. And finally, explain what benefits your service will provide in this regard and seal the deal. Add a signature. First, make sure the sentences aren't overly lengthy, clunky, or robotic by reading the message out loud. Then at the bottom of your email, include a signature that includes your position within the company, a website or social media link, and so on. It's best to avoid emojis and inspirational quotes. Use a friendly tone. Don't give the impression that you are deciding on their behalf. Even if you're asking your audience to make a decision that will benefit you. Focus on making a real connection rather than just making sales. If you want, Fluent CRM can handle the rest, as it's gonna help you to build a strong connection with your clients. And why not learn about the tone in business to avoid any crossed wires? Write as you talk. Once you finish drafting your email, copy and paste it into Microsoft Word or Google Docs for a fast grammar, phrasing, and spelling check. You can also use free checkers like Grammarly to automate the process while you're drafting. Let me give you a quick tip that will always help you sound more human. Write in the active voice and avoid the passive. For example, instead of writing, "Your feedback would be much appreciated," try saying, "I would appreciate your feedback." Writing an email shouldn't be daunting. With these simple tips, you'll make sure your email is effective every time. And don't forget to subscribe to WPManageNinja.